Hey guys, wanted to bring in a YouTube video of an unboxing. Just purchased a new laptop from Costco. It's an HP. It's 11th gen i7, and I'll put the specs in the descriptions too, and the model. It was $7.99 depending where you're located. You may have sales tax, or depending on your sales tax rate. And then shipping to the local warehouse or to yourself, it's going to be $9.99. So let's take another separate box. Looks like it's packed this way. It's supposed to be one of the lightest laptops too. It's under 4 pounds. Power adapter. Pretty light. Probably one of the smallest, lightest laptops I've had. It's 15.3 inches. Hopefully setup shouldn't take that long. It's going to be running on Windows 10 on the latest software. It's very light. Alright. Again, if you like more videos of this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And thanks for watching.